Before coming to Mid-State, I worked in business for 20 years. So I have an undergraduate degree in both accounting and information systems. So I kind of worked in both areas, starting out at the staff level and working my way up to the director level. I always ended up in some type of training or teaching or mentoring role, and I just think it's kind of natural personality traits. I was drawn to adjuncting, and then from there realized, this could be a calling for me if a position were to open. And sure enough, right after I had that thought, a full-time position opened here at Mid-State, and the rest is history. I think the one thing that Mid-State offers that no other college will offer is every single one of their instructors is an expert in the field in which they're instructing. So they take people that are experts in their field and they make them great teachers. So you have the best of both worlds. Because I went to a university to get my undergraduate degree and then also my graduate degree. And I share with my students all the time, I graduated with a bachelor's degree in accounting, and I had never taken a payroll class. Payroll was one of the very first functions of accounting that I was required to manage after I had worked my way up to a manager level in accounting, and I had never even had an introductory level class. If you go to be an accountant here at Mid-State, you have a payroll class where at the end of that class, you hands-on do 3 months of payroll for a company. So you know how to not only what payroll means and how to do it, but you've actually done it.